This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Microsoft Teams and sign in with your work or school account. Select Calendar in the left sidebar to view scheduled meetings for the week. Use Day, Week, or Month view to locate the meeting faster. Click the meeting you want to cancel to open the meeting details pane. Review the meeting title, date, and attendee list before making changes. Confirm you have organizer rights, otherwise ask the organizer to cancel for you. Prepare a brief cancellation reason to include in your update message. Select Cancel Meeting in the Meeting Details pane to start the cancellation process. When prompted, choose whether to cancel a single occurrence or an entire series if recurring. Type a clear cancellation message explaining the reason and any next steps. Mention any reschedule intentions and propose alternate dates if available. Attach relevant files or links if attendees need materials before a new meeting. Choose Send to notify all attendees and remove the meeting from their calendars. Confirm that the event disappears from your calendar after sending the update. Open the Teams mobile app, tap Calendar, then tap the meeting to view details. Tap Edit or Cancel depending on your need, and confirm whether the meeting is recurring. Type a concise cancellation message and include any next steps or reschedule options. Add attachments or a link if attendees need reference materials before a new meeting. Tap Send to notify all attendees and update their calendars automatically. Check attendee responses or follow up via chat or email if clarification is needed. Archive any meeting notes locally for your records after cancellation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.